daily gainers. Why is this important? This tells me what people are looking at. We have the top projects by weekly TVL, total volume locked. What does this mean? So whenever I post anything in my VIP group, I always let them know what it means. What does this mean, TVL? Well, this means that the people who are buying these tokens, they're actually locking it up. And what that tells us is that they believe in the project. They're just not buying and selling. They actually have the best interest for the network. They're locking up the token, secure the network. And the higher TVL, the more confidence people have in the project. So this is telling me I might want to start looking at XCN. This is OnyxCoin. It is 1.41 billion. Let's go to the markets. It's available on Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io. So they're on pretty good exchanges. Let's go back to the chart. Let's go to all. They've been around since 2022 in March. Then they just dumped, flatlined. And for whatever reason, now they're starting to increase. So more than likely, they're doing some kind of marketing or there's excitement about this coin. Let's come down here to see their tags. They only have Ethereum and Base ecosystem. Now let's go to their website. On the website, it says the backbone of decentralized Web3 protocols. And here's some information as far as staking, also about the governance, treasury, DAO. It says about their distribution, circulating supply, total supply. And now let's go to their X account. So they do have two X accounts and they're pretty much the same thing. So on this one, they do have this post 11 hours ago, 30% discount on chain. Products for clients paying with XCN is live and in full effect. Now they have a lot of views and a lot of engagement. A few days ago, they posted this, January 23rd. We're thrilled to announce the introduction of the Chain Loyalty Program exclusively for users who have staked XCN. They're going to receive up to 75% off the chain.com services with the flexibility to pay using fiat or other crypto for those who prefer to hold XCN. Now let's go to their other X account. And you can see they have pretty good followers. Here they're talking about staking and also the governance. Now this is exciting for any token. Whenever there's a token burn, because what that does, it reduces the supply. You reduce the supply, more than likely the demand increases. And we can see the total supply is this and the max supply is this. And this is very important to note that the max supply is not infinite. This was posted 16 hours ago, looking for feedback on a community burn initiative. So you can see they're very active. This was posted 22 hours ago. We have the OIP ready for the Onyx Core Node Incentive Program. So now they also have a node. Once our other OPIs are completed and we have the relevant updates in place, we will deploy for voting. Now let's go to the chart. This is XCN on the 4-hour time frame. Market cap is $1.41 billion. Now the volume is lower. Now due to this nice pump, I would like to see it retrace to around this area. This would be a healthy retrace coming down to about this level before continuing up. For me, entering right now would be a little bit too risky now that it had this really nice run up of about 188%. People are going to be wanting to take profit. They want to do exactly what you want, buy low, sell high. So I would expect a retrace. Now, could it go up another 40, 50, 80%? Sure. However, it's a higher likelihood that it will come down. I'm looking for a retrace of at least 22%. And I would really like, this would be very bullish, if it retraced into the golden pocket right around 36%. If our lower bid does hit, I'm looking for the first target to be roughly around 60%. And for the first target, selling about 50% of our initial investment. Next target would be roughly around 100%. Now, granted, look at the market cap. The market cap is pretty huge. So this may take several weeks, if not months, to complete. However, we can see that there's a lot of interest right now. So this could potentially hit our targets much sooner. But to be on the safe side, I would say that more than likely a few weeks to maybe a few months for this to play out. Now, if you were very bullish on this, which I personally would not do, but if you were very bullish on this, what you could do is you could enter now, but a very little percentage amount. I would say roughly around maybe 25 to 30% of your investment to enter now, knowing that you have a very high chance of it coming down. And this is where you would put the majority of your investment and also having a lower bid or lower entry. So if you did enter now, this note here, it's going to be very high risk due to the massive run up. And let's say this first entry hits and then it takes off. It doesn't hit your lower entry. Well, then what you would be doing is waiting for the next retrace, then run up. And then once it breaks its newly created pivot, that's when you would cancel this order and then place your next order here. But in my opinion, we do have a much higher likelihood of it coming down rather than continuing up. Depending on your risk tolerance, you could enter now and then have lower entries. If you haven't already, definitely smash the like. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to join me because I give you 1 hour of full dedicated mentorship. So have your questions ready, have your charts ready. I would love to give you my thought process based off of experience rather than just regurgitating a website. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, let's make this money. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.
Yeah, trade intuition, flipping charts, mad precision. We on the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull up bear, we adapt, typhoon. While it's packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.